Today in Nityananda TV News.
Morning Satsang with Paramahamsa Nityananda. Inner Awakening 21-day Yoga and Meditation Retreat. Nityananda Vidyalaya and N-Genius program for kids.
Nityanandam and welcome to Nityananda TV News 2013. Now for today's top stories.
And Morning Satsang with Paramahamsa Nityananda.
Happy that somebody experientially experienced what I described as Aksharadhama, imperishable space. This is my Guru Vak for all my disciples, anybody who thinks myself as their Guru. To all my disciples, followers, devotees, this is my Guru Vak. Please understand, listen to this statement. Having health, wealth, success, excellence through integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching is okay, great, no problem, nice. But while you are in the body, it is your responsibility to experience Akshardham at least once so that you are clear, your reservation is confirmed. Your ticket, stay, place, everything in Akshardham is confirmed. So that you don't need to have the incompletion of what will happen to me after death. What will happen to me after I leave the body? I tell you, how much ever I talk to you, I will not be able to give you that completion what Mahavishweshwara is having now. See, that completion in her being, I will not be able to give you by talking. She earned it as her experience. I want every one of you to earn it as your experience. So, my Guru Vak for all of you, while you are in the body, you should take up having your space reserved, ensuring your space in Aksharadhama. This can be done only by every night completion before falling asleep. Understand, before falling asleep, completion should be a must. It should be like a breathing. I tell you, even if you give up morning Pada Puja, it's okay. But don't give up the night completion process. Because even once if you experience how your space will be after you leave the body, all the incompletions about life and death will disappear. Now you know your space is reserved. Your space is reserved. Understand? Reserving your space, ensuring your space in Aksharadhama should be done by every disciple as early as possible. See, having your space in Aksharadhama is enlightenment. That is enlightenment. Your Videha Mukti is guaranteed. If you have ensured your space in Aksharadhama, if you have ensured your in that eternal space, I tell you, the goal of your life is achieved. You are done. Because you need a very high level of integrity and authenticity to experience the space of Akshardhama. Sometimes it comes as a gift from the Master, but even as a gift from the Master, it comes only if you have that level of connection with the Master. Your integrity with the Master should be so high. It can come in two ways. One, integrity with the life. Second, integrity with the Master. Any one way it will come. But once you have that Akshardhama experience, I tell you, there is no more incompletions with life or death. You are now free. All human beings need to know why you behave the way you behave, why you do the way you do, why you do what you do. Whatever way you react, whatever way you function, your root thought pattern is responsible.
Introducing Inner Awakening Level 1. Discover the technique to identify and overcome core root patterns. Change your past and create a vibrant new future. Soar to greater heights of uninhibited creativity and productivity. Experience loving relationships. Get initiated by Paramahamsa Nityananda into the practice of 4 sacred principles that guide you towards success in every step of your life.
Find your root thought pattern and complete. Only then life starts for you. Inner Awakening Level 1. Contact 08027279999 or visit www.innerawakening.org/level1.
Mahamsa Nityananda in his energy field. Vedic lifestyle is the most ancient celebration in understanding the possibilities of life. It adds its unique flavor to our expression of who we are as individuals. This multidimensional creative domain of celebration is experienced through imbibing expanded awareness to create a platform of positive and productive life strategizing. Hearts and crafts. Artistic expression is very creative and innovative and takes us back to the evolution of the human heart and the expression of its love towards nature. Various impressionable facets of human nature, like sharing, caring, and loving, are all expressed as a different flow of energies through the hearts and crafts. Goshala. According to the Vedic tradition, cows are sacred animals that provide us with milk, cheese, butter, biofuel, medicines. Goshala is the shelter designed specifically for these animals. Taking care of the animals brings us unconditional joy of our inner selves. Flower shop. Flowers bring in a new dimension of stimulation to our olfactory system. Latest research says that the fragrance of the flower even enhances our intuitive brain. Flowers have a great capacity to heal and balance the emotional component of our brain. Temple. Temples form the core of our rich Vedic culture. Rituals, events, and celebrations in the temples are ingenious, innovative, and colorful expressions of the mind. Temples as part of our lives assist us learn the creative celebratory lifestyle while helping us connect to higher realities. Temple activities can be rephrased as ecstasy in the rich lifestyle.